it's me, Triple G, and welcome back to another YouTube video. A very special YouTube video at that. I am so excited to finally be able to talk about this with you guys. I didn't want to talk too much about it while it was happening, but now we're a few weeks out, and I'm sharing this with you guys. So, as you can tell by the thumbnail / title, this is about my Imats experience in California. And what Imats is, it stands for International Makeup Artist Trade Show. That's literally exactly what it was, and it was amazing, and I loved every second of it. Everything from beauty to special effects. There was great panels and speakers. I loved it. Makeup artists out there, if you want a great experience, it happens every January in Pasadena, California. I highly suggest it. 10 out of 10. But this video is like kind of like a vlog type situation. It's really like a whole bunch of mini clips of my brother and I's experience in California in general, because that was like a big like excitement for me as well alone, because I've always wanted to go to California, and of course the convention. So this shouldn't be too long. It should be fairly short, and it's just, you know, us excited the whole trip. So I hope you guys enjoy. Even more exciting, y'all will see like pictures of me meeting the whole Stranger Things makeup artist team. So as y'all have known in past videos and my goals and excitement, so you know that was the whole thing. That was the whole thing, and it was very exciting, and I can't wait for y'all to see that. And yeah, let's get right into the video, okay? Yeah. Oh, I might be popping in here and there throughout the clips in case if I need to explain anything or something like that. So yes, let's get right to it. Getting on the plane, guys. And going to what's it called Imats in Pasadena, California. Exciting. I haven't been on a plane in extra long. My hair flying, right, landing in LAX. Just get on the plane, guys.
Put it in that one.
I got my window seat. Things are exciting. Things are exciting. So right now we are finding our way to the rental cars so we can mosey our way along to our hotel. I think we go up the ramp because the signs have stopped telling us where to go. So let's find our way. And we have found it. So let's go get our car, y'all. Getting on the shuttle. All right, we in our rental car, and now we go back our way around.
We're going to Beverly Hills.
Beverly Hills, cause that's where I wanna be.
But regardless, y'all know that he did.
Where is it? Oh, I see it. Yeah.
We should have went to Rodeo.
We should. We can turn around or look back. I don't know.
Yeah,
Pretty mountains up there. Oh my gosh, it's literally just like the movies. Oh my gosh. Like literally, this is crazy. This is crazy.
And
Oh my gosh. Gotta play the song like we in Cars? Y'all, look, it's the donut shop that be in movies. Oh my gosh.
get her up. And like get confirmation.
Sorry.
Right.
Is gonna try and keep us hoping again. Now, no.
Dior.
Period.
Patek, the Patek watches.
Oh my God.
Gucci.
Mugler?
Stop it.
No, that was.
Balenciaga.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, another Dior.
I'm over here showing this, not even showing the
Dolce.
stores.
Everything to say are underneath rocks.
Louis
waves,
Another
stones
Louis,
right
okay.
now.
That's a cute
try
building
to
right
act
there.
Like you
Van
didn't
Cleef?
have all of the most to say.
Period.
That's fine. We'll remind you.
Not we was on Hollywood Boulevard and didn't even realize.
Sexual acts.
This cool.
Turn left on North Highland Avenue.
Assistant coach and all kinds of crazy stuff that you can go ahead and
Not Hollywood Hostel. That sounds
these
allegations.
allegations are
Right on Hollywood Boulevard.
But it's
Hollywood
about to
Boulevard.
go right back to
Putting
being
the
dry
biggest
of us
on
talking about how
That is
long
This
it takes to
hills,
take a
yeah, that's
shower.
crazy.
Because
Oh my gosh. Of course, the tree gets in the way again. Yes, it's a good view. This is so exciting. I love this so much. I'm having much fun, much fun. So is my hair. You already know what I'm here for.
You already know.
So we tried In and Out. Was supposed to record me trying it and sharing a picture with y'all, but
Burger never made it out the car.
it didn't make it out the car. I took that first bite and said, kept eating. Much better than McDonald's. Not overhyped. It was actually really good. Also, the view outside of our hotel room. Please don't mimic me. Pasadena is really nice and it's really calm for like a city area. I love it. I love it. Alright, y'all. We got our breakfast burritos that I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. We're heading to the convention center. So exciting, and it's raining. Oh, if the camera will flip.
Turn right on East Union Street.
All right. Oh, look how big this burrito is.
Even being able to put together,
Somebody had to walk by now, y'all.
because it was supposed to be it's August.
All right, y'all. It's been a minute since I gave the last update, but we got back from the convention. We met great people. I'm gonna get into that in a little bit, but we're back at the hotel. We gotta eat. I'm gonna show y'all the food, and also y'all will see more clips of the convention tomorrow as well. So, right? Okay, we got some carne asada fries, breakfast.
It's a chicken salad.
Breakfast burrito, and I got a fish torta. So we better get into,
Gorda.
period. So we better get into that, and I'll let y'all know. Good morning, everyone. Today is the last day of Imats, so I just got done getting ready, and then we're gonna head out of the hotel, get some breakfast, then we're gonna head straight there. And I promise I'm gonna show you guys more of like how it looks like more of like a pan view, so that y'all can see. All right, this is what we're eating for brunch today. Here we are. We walked today. It was a nice day. It did not rain today. Well, as of yet. So
I mean, we're just doing what local Californians.
yeah, we're locals. All right, I wanted to pop in right here because I literally just said in one of the clips for day 2 that I would show you guys more of the convention itself, like a pan view type thing, and I didn't really do that, really, because day 2, I just did a whole bunch of shopping. Day 1 was more of like the, oh my gosh, I'm here, I met the Stranger Things team, and like just like basking in everything and listening to panels and everything like that. I did buy like 1 or 2 things, but most of my shopping was in day 2. So yeah, that's why that happened like that. I do also wish I showed you guys my makeup for day 1, because my makeup for day 1 was more like intricate, and it was a really pretty eyeliner look, and for some reason I didn't show it off as good as I did for day 2. I didn't even take a picture of it, so you know, I was excited and just thrilled to be there. So maybe I'll make a YouTube video, like a little tutorial type situation of the look I did for day 1 of Imats. So if you want that, let me know. I can definitely do that, and it's really simple, really easy, and really pretty. So yeah, just wanted to say that. On to the rest of the video.
All right, it's our last few hours here in Pasadena, in California in general. We eat some Chinese food. I got some sesame chicken that I thought came with rice, but it didn't. And then he ate some chow mein.
I love chow mein.
Chow mein. If you know, you know. Guys, well, before we leave our hotel, we're watching the new Last of Us show, and I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. It's the same music and everything. Let's get into it. All right, guys, it's time. We're headed to the airport. The goodbye view. Goodbye. It was fun while it lasted. Alright, y'all, we are at the airport. It is much roomier in this one than the Atlanta one. But say Kevin. Yep, right. It was nice being in Cali for the first time, and I'm so glad I had this experience, and I can't wait to come back really soon, hopefully very soon. So, yeah.
Requires their presence. All others must exit the airport.
Right, bye, LA. Back in Atlanta. And just like that, we're back.
Alright guys, and that was the end of like the vlog situation, or like what's it called, like a montage type thing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I was so excited. My brother and I was both excited, and it was just a great time being in California, and I definitely understand why people move out there as often as they do. Especially Pasadena. Pasadena was like nice and calm. I know I said that within one of the clips, but it was really nice. Really nice. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And of course, more videos to come, more makeup videos, and specifically connected to this video, I will be having like a haul video from all the stuff I bought at Imats. And let me tell y'all, it's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff in both of these bags. So make sure y'all keep a lookout for that, because I'm excited to show y'all in videos to come from the different things I bought, different makeup looks. It's a great time. It's a great time, y'all. It's a great time. So stay tuned. And of course, gaming as well. Little Nightmares coming soon, and let me know with what other kind of video games y'all would love to see me play. And yeah, until next time, bye! Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Forgot to say at the beginning, but yeah! Alright.